Alright, I'm finally getting into the Doomsday trailer, so let's go. Okay, so we got Bucky, we got Fantastic Four, and Ant-Man. Uh, I forgot what Ant-Man is doing. Okay. Oh shoot, look at that. We finally have Shang-Chi. Shang-Chi. Alright, get in there. Okay, so Thor is narrating this whole thing. Why do we always get a clip of Thor struggling against someone? This man is a god. He's powerful than nobody's business. Why are they always doing that then? How much money did they pay for Chris Evans to come back here? Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm exhausted.